So some of you may have heard of this fantasy amazing loan called the Rehab and Renovation loan from the VA. Well, today we're going to talk about it because it is real, and I'm going to give you the details of how you could potentially use it yourself. Now, the first thing to keep in mind, to qualify for the Rehab and Renovation loan, you have to be able to meet the VA standards and requirements that you would need to get for a VA home loan. In fact, there's only two ways that you can get this loan, and it's either part of purchasing a home with your VA loan or by doing a VA refinance. And the loan actually gets rolled into that, where you have the property itself plus whatever renovations you're going to be doing, all going in to the same loan. Now, something to keep in mind is that these renovations and repairs cannot just be cosmetic repairs. This can't be, oh, I want a brand new kitchen and bathroom and these wonderful things that'll make my wife so happy. Sorry guys, that and even major structural repairs or additions to the house, things like pools, can't be included as part of this. Ultimately, anything that can be done is going to be more in the line of safety. It's going to be more in the line of improvements, maybe adding some green and efficiency standards to the house. Now, like anything, there are some gray areas as to what can be included, but you would actually go out, get a bid from a contractor for the various things that you're looking to have done, and when you get your VA appraisal, you provide that bid and the improvements that you want to make to the VA appraiser, and they're going to give you a notice of value that includes those renovations that you're planning on doing in the house. Then the entire loan that you can get is going to be a combination of the value of the home plus those improvements, and together that makes up your VA home loan and renovation loan combined. Now, if you're going to refinance, the total value of the loan can only be 90% of what the total value is of the home. Remember, that's the after renovation value for the home. So if the house will be worth $1 million for round figures, that means the maximum loan that you'd be able to refinance is $900,000 if you're going to be including a renovation and rehab loan as part of that. Now, this loan can be difficult to find, so if you have any questions on who can help you with your VA renovation loan, please reach out to a Sentry residential agent or visit us at sentryresidential.com, and we're happy to help.